The late great Roddy Piper had a quote. He said, "Just when you think you have all the answers, I changed the question." I love this quote, but this quote really reminds me of PlayStation fanboys. They have asked questions over the years. They have asked, will Xbox ever compete? Will Xbox ever get some new studios? Will Xbox have some games? Will Xbox be competition for PlayStation? And when Xbox come out and answer those questions, they change the damn questions. When they would say, will Xbox ever show some games early? When Xbox actually show games early, the question changed to, well, if a game doesn't show gameplay, does that really count? They always change the questions. And here we are again with the massive news from a couple days ago with Xbox acquiring Activision Blizzard. The questions are changing again. Guess what the questions is now? Does Xbox have a monopoly? This isn't fair. Does Xbox have a monopoly on the gaming industry? Do you know what the hell the monopoly is, dummy? Xbox is actually still in third place, even after this acquisition. Tencent is number one, Sony is number two. So the PlayStation brand is still a monster of a brand. So y'all can just stop crying because Xbox is competing. But of course, the PlayStation fanboys are losing their shit. They're absolutely losing it. Look at this guy here, Ghost of New Orleans. What's up, Wardy? This dude say, they monopolizing gaming. They the Disney of gaming. Keep on crying, man. All y'all do is cry. They're monopolizing gaming? This is crazy. It's not organic, right? It needs to be organic. You know, I used this analogy before and I'm going to use it again. Say if you're a huge sports team fan and your team becomes the championship team and wins the championship. You as a fan, do you care if they won the championship organically by drafting a lot of players and your players turn out to be very good players? Or if your team bought a lot of free agents, they signed free agents, you guys still won the championship. Do you give a shit how they won the championship? Or do you just care that they won the championship? Yes, organic. That has come up again. PlayStation is more organic. Xbox just spend money. Do y'all ever listen to yourselves? But look, this Ghost of New Orleans is not the only guy. This guy says, what's his name? I don't know, with Project Eve. So Xbox's greatest skill isn't making great exclusives or organic growth. It is money. They are tired of being in third place, so now they want to monopolize the gaming industry instead of competing. So you're saying they're monopolizing the gaming industry instead of competing. So this isn't a monopoly. I'm going to say it again. They are competing. They're competing. They want people to go to Xbox Gamepass to play games. What is your problem? Y'all keep on crying, man. And look at this guy. Let the bots have fun, fam. They love acquisitions, but hate buying games. And when they come to Game Pass, they don't hardly play them. Just brag when they launch. It's all about celebrating what Sony doesn't have. Phil can't nurture his own studio, so he has to buy up all the talent. I have never seen a bunch of grown men cry so much in my life. Just, this is just ridiculous. Phil can't nurture his own studio, so he has to buy up all the talent. Really? He's buying up all the talent? Maybe he's buying up the right talent. You ever think about that? The talent that will move the needle, the talent that will move people to subscribing to Xbox Game Pass, the IPs that will make people say, damn, maybe I should go into the Xbox ecosystem to play these games. Then we have this guy, Colin Moriarty. This guy constantly cries about every time Xbox signs somebody or even if there's a rumor. He says, in purchasing Activision and choosing brute force over creativity, Microsoft has officially entered malign influence territory. My only hope is that Sony won't follow suit, but they probably will. Why are these guys acting like this isn't a business? You have to be aggressive in business. Hasn't Sony been aggressive? Hasn't Sony been super aggressive? Spiderman is exclusive. Wolverine is exclusive. Games that has always been multi-plats in the past. Sony with these time exclusivity deals. They tried to sign Starfield. They got Deathloop, Ghostwire Tokyo. You're hearing how all Final Fantasy games are only going to be on the PlayStation 5 this generation. Forspoken is a damn 2-year exclusive, timed exclusive. Sony's being aggressive. But you guys have no problem with Sony being aggressive. Well, Xbox is aggressive. Oh no, they're monopolizing. This shit is ridiculous. These guys are absolutely crying. And this isn't the end of it. They don't know what to even cry about anymore. They're just crying, organic, monopoly. Those are the two words I have seen the most these last few days. Organic, monopoly. Xbox don't know how to nurture their studios. Maybe they had a problem with that in the past. Maybe they don't have the time and the luxury to try to nurture studios now. So guess what? They're doing the next best thing. Getting talent to develop exclusive content for Xbox. I know you guys don't know what to do, but crying is not the answer. Look, man, business is aggressive. You have to be aggressive in business. Like I said, I just gave you tons of examples of how Sony is very aggressive. Remember in 2013 when Xbox messed up? Sony took advantage by being aggressive. This is how you share your games. Sony's aggressive. Xbox is aggressive. Stop crying about it. It's business. You know, PhilSpencer seemed like a nice guy, right? I guarantee PhilSpencer has to be a pit bull behind the scenes. You can't be in a position like that and be soft. JimRyan has to be a pit bull behind the scenes. So if you want to make your company business work, you have to be aggressive, and this is aggressive. Bethesda was aggressive, and this is helly aggressive. So you PlayStation guys, you will get over it. If Call of Duty in the future is exclusive to Xbox, hey, play it on Xbox or PC. Stop crying. Just stop crying about it, damn it. All right? I promise it's not going to kill you to play it on Xbox or PC. Warzone will probably remain multi-plat, but Call of Duty 2023 might be exclusive to Xbox. Actually, I think it will be exclusive to Xbox. Diablo 4 will probably be exclusive to the Xbox ecosystem. That's business. So look, I gotta go, man. I gotta go. Because these last couple of days have been fun, exciting for us Xbox fans. It's been pretty bad for the PlayStation guys, and they've been crying about it all over Twitter. Some PlayStation guys have bent the knee, but some of them have not. They refuse to, and that's good for them. Don't bend the knee. Keep the console war going, because we want to talk shit. After last generation getting our teeth kicked in, we want to talk shit. Do not wave that white flag yet, fellas. We want to talk shit, and we will. Anyway, I'm about to get out of here. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you happen to stumble across my channel, you think I'm decent enough, why don't you subscribe? And if you subscribe, please hit that notification bell to know when my black ass is doing some new content, baby. All right, everybody. Peace and love. Peace and love. Shit. Damn, man.